Welcome everybody for 3-minute preparation with Dr. Murali Bharadwaz on Incus app. Macrophages are activated by the interferon gamma. Now we have a lipopolysaccharide, lipid A from the bacteria that binds with CD14 on the macrophages, and that causes all that cytokine release. Don't forget the mnemonic of MHC. MHC2 is on CD4 is equal to 8. MHC1 is on CD8. There are two subtypes of T helper cells. TH1 are for intercellular pathogens, whereas TH2 are for the helminthic and parasitic infections. Every human cell contains MHC1, but only APCs contain MHC2. How does activated cytotoxic T cell works like a AK-47? It releases perforins. Cytotoxic T cells, they also destroy the target cells with fast ligand interaction, and that initiates the apoptosis in the target cell. So don't forget, TH1 cell is for the cytotoxic response, TH2 is for the humoral response and asthma. This is how an active macrophage, which transform into multinucleated giant cell. Tomorrow's exam, you need to identify it on the image-based question. Now, during the inflammatory response, it is the PCAM, which is platelet endothelial cell adhesion molecule, responsible for the diapedesis of the monocytes. Which enzyme deficiency lead to hemolytic anemia? Adenosine deaminase, pyrimidine dinucleotidase, everything required for the regeneration of the reducing equivalents. The iron in the hemoglobin is maintained in the ferrous state, and constantly ferric ion should convert into ferrous ion, which is done by the NADH dependent system. If you look at the erythrocytes, whenever you do the separation, they are typically on the lower layer. And what is serum? The plasma where the platelets and clotting factors are removed is called serum. So don't forget to download the 3-minute learning videos on the Incus app.